We are a hyperscaler for the edge, which includes compute, storage, connectivity, as well as AI, ML capabilities. We have essentially 3 key products, and then we also have marketplace. On the product line, we have modular edge data centers, which are called Galleons. We also have a GPU management and a GPU orchestration solution called Bridge. We also have another product which is called an Atlas, which is the NOC for the edge. From a vast perspective, the collaboration is very tight for us from an Armada edge platform perspective, which runs, of course, in the Galleons or in a disaggregated fashion as well. Biggest challenges, for customers, siloed ecosystems of platforms that they had to connect to, get the data, to build those pipelines, being able to process it in a location or multiple locations. These are tough challenges for them. And the problem we are solving is essentially making it like easy, one simple solution, just like VAST. The other is data latency and real-time decision making. VAST is the data layer for us, and then we are adding on with infrastructure, we are adding on with connectivity, we are adding on with AI applications, and then providing GPU as a service in an AI factory environment. And the confluence of both VAST and Armada is essentially providing a true end-to-end platform for the companies.